Ever wished you could make the perfect paper aeroplane? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how to fold a paper aeroplane that flies great. First, start with a crisp sheet of paper. Fold it in half lengthwise, then open it back up. Next, fold the top corners to the center crease. Fold the angled edges to the center line again. Now fold the paper in half along the original crease. Create the wings by folding down the top edges on each side. Adjust the wings to make them even. Give it a test fly to see how well it glides. If it doesn't fly well, tweak the wings slightly. Keep experimenting with different folds. Perfecting your paper airplane takes practice. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more awesome tips.